Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to disable protected view in Microsoft Excel. You can see, when I open an Excel file, then we can show a pop-up notification about protected view. The situation, we cannot edit any Excel file without clicking Enable Editing. This issue is wasted our valuable time. Same pop-up notification about protected view is showing when I open another Excel file. Let's see, how can we disable protect view from Excel? Open Excel file, and click on File in the top left corner. After go to the File menu, click on Options. Now click Trust Center. Click the Trust Center Settings button on the right. In the Trust Center, select Protected View. You will see 3 checkboxes. Uncheck any or all of these checkboxes, to click OK, to close the Trust Center window, then again to close Excel options. Restart Excel, for the changes to take effect. Now, if we open Excel file again, then we cannot see any protected view notification. Important note, disabling protected view can expose your system to security risks. Only disable it if you're sure the files you're opening are safe. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.